We are down here, it is midwinter, and we are about to pull the drive motor on this golf cart. What we're gonna do is we're gonna send it out and we're gonna have it rebuilt. We're gonna get a little more torque and a little more speed out of it to help us with the increased tire size and the rolling resistance. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the cart in tow mode. All right, as you can see, these club cars are pretty easy to do. There's a back panel here we're gonna take off, and we're gonna gain access to the drive motor, and you're gonna see how easy this really is. After you take them two plastic rivets out of there, we're just gonna pull this cover right off. That's it. There's our drive motor right there. This motor is real simple to take out. There's 3 bolts right in the front here. We have 4 wires, 2 for the field, 2 for the directional control, and we have the speed sensor all the way in the back. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna split this motor away from the rear axle housing, and we're gonna pull it out. But it is gonna be heavy. Okay, so now we got the drive motor out, and you can see here's the spline shaft I was talking about. All right, so we're gonna box this up. We're gonna send this out to the rebuilder and have it rewound for more torque and more speed. Finally got the motor back. We sent the motor out to a company called Plum Quick. They do what they call a bandit upgrade. They upgrade the fields, clean and form the brushes, run and check the armature, put new bearings, weld the handle to the case, paint the motor. They do a bunch of stuff, which should give us a little more torque and a little more speed. So it's all cleaned up, looking pretty. So let's unbox this and get it put in. Got the speed sensor. This is my old speed sensor housing. This is the old speed sensor. You can see they put a new speed sensor on here, so we're going to use this one for our install. This speed sensor better matches the upgrades that were made inside the motor. Alright, so that's how easy it is to put a motor in one of these golf carts. It's not a big deal. It's a little heavy, but it's not a big deal. Alright, let's take it out on the road and see what she does. Alright, well, you see the road test was successful. We got up to about 20 miles an hour. Of course, that's going to change when we put the bigger tires on and the lift kit on. That's going to change the rolling resistance. But anyway, she runs good right now. I got her loaded up with the trash, and we're gonna head on down to the dumpster and get rid of some of this trash. All right, that's gonna do it for this time. We got that motor in, it's running really good. Next week, we're gonna continue with the build, so stay tuned to see what's coming next.